Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord visor. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your new replacement visor. Make sure your car's interior lights are off to avoid any electrical issues. This simple guide will help you complete the replacement efficiently and safely, getting your car back in top shape in no time. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's remove the old visor. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the small plastic cover located at the visor's base. Once exposed, use your Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the two retaining screws. After the screws are out, gently pull the visor down and disconnect the electrical connector for the vanity light. This step ensures you don't damage any wiring. With the old visor removed, it's time to install the new one. First, connect the new visor's electrical wire to the car's corresponding connector. Next, align the new visor with the mounting holes and secure it tightly using the two Phillips head screws. Finally, snap the plastic cover back into its original position until it clicks firmly into place. You're almost done. To complete the process, perform a few final checks. Test the new visor's full range of motion, ensuring it moves smoothly and stays securely in both the up and down positions. Also, verify that the vanity mirror light functions correctly. If everything works, you've successfully replaced your Honda Accord visor. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic Owala water bottle, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.